Hey, what's going on YouTube? MemphisMike here. And right now I'm headed back down the mountain on 441 through Smoky Mountains, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. And a lot of times I do these trips, I break down different roads that I ride, but today's been kind of a casual type ride, and I just want to share with you some of the roads I took for today so far. We started out, we took 321 down to Wares Valley, down that way, and then we picked up the Foothills Parkway. And the Foothills Parkway is just a nice casual ride. We've got some nice look-offs if you want to stop and so forth. Just a really great road to ride. It's about, 18 to 20 miles or so. And then, of course, it leads you to 129, the Dragon. So we did do the Dragon, yes, of course, but I'm going to spare you doing another MemphisMike video on the Dragon. But we rode the Dragon, had a good time. I took it a little more cautious this time, going 2 up on this ride, and we still have our luggage in because we're en route to the next hotel. So the trunk was feeling very heavy. I was feeling a little shaky about it, so I took my time. That's all. It's no sense in pushing, especially with Mama on the back and everything. But we came off the Dragon, passed by, and then we went down to Tapaco Lodge, stopped there. We were thirsty, had us a big old glass of water, had us a local micro brewed craft beer down there. And yes, we drank that beer. We did sit for about an hour just to make sure nothing goes wrong, if you know what I'm saying. So once we did that, we've had a pretty good luck dodging rain. So we cut out from Tapaco Lodge, shot down 129 into Robbinsville. So we went on down to Robbinsville, and then we took 143. Then we took the Moonshiner 28 south down to 74. And that Moonshiner 28 is probably one of my favorite roads. It does open up into a 4-lane eventually. So we took that, then we shot through Bryson City. And Bryson City is a nice little town. We got a little bit turned around. That Highway 19 is just a nice road. It's just a great road to ride. Perfect for motorcycling. And man, we just had a fantastic time going through there. I've been there before on Highway 19. It's a lovely road. And we just kind of casually taking our time. We shot through Cherokee, North Carolina. And if you've ever been to Cherokee, I don't know. I'm not real impressed with Cherokee. I know there's a lot of heritage there, I'm sure, but boy, it's just looks like it's turned into junk t-shirt shops, and selling moccasin shoes, and just not my thing. So we didn't spend any time in Cherokee going through there, which then led us to 441, which was to take us en route to Gatlinburg. And we're staying the night in Gatlinburg. This is kind of our second night on our trip. And so we're just kind of casually taking a different pace on this. Normally when I do these road trips, I just get out there and really just bust it, But I got Mama. We just kind of wanted to do a casual, relaxed pace. I had a free night at the Best Western last night. I had Hilton points for 2 free nights tonight at the Hampton Inn. So I'm fired up. I've saved some money on some lodging. So we don't know what we'll do Thursday. That's how MemphisMike does it. I just wing it. Going through a little bridge right here, a little tunnel and everything. I just kind of wing it. Go where the road takes us. The weather has been fantastic today. We got caught in some rain coming up here on Monday, but today we got a few sprinkles coming through the mountains. Other than that, it's been a great ride. So I encourage you to get out, folks. Ride the Smoky Mountains. That area, the East Tennessee, North Carolina, you hear me talk about it all the time. And there's a reason, because the roads are just incredible out here. We've been having just a casual pace ride today. No street Rossian out here. Although on the Dragon, man, I did scrape my floorboard down pretty dang good. But that's all I got for you. It's been a while since I've cut a vid. Just thought I'd share with you. I have been riding, but boy, with work and everything, energy's been down a little bit for cutting videos. So I appreciate you watching YouTube. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you later.
Yeah, these are pretty cool little pull-offs. This is at the Chimney Tops Picnic ground area, campground. Water's really low right here. Sorry, I probably got helmet indentions all over my head. But it's beautiful up here. Wish the water was a little bit higher. It really roaring when it does, man.